Here is a quick solution to a common Copilot problem. How to view large, long tables in Copilot. Let's take an example. I asked Copilot to give me some ideas for gamifying Microsoft Copilot sessions. It gave me the ideas, but this was verbose. So I asked Copilot to give the same output, but as a table. It did that perfectly. There's the table. Now Copilot's job is done and my work starts. Reading this table is cumbersome. First of all, it's a long table, many rows. There's the scroll bar for the table, scroll bar for the page. Even when I reach the bottom, there are many columns which are not fitting, so I have to also scroll horizontally. When I am above somewhere, I can't use horizontal scroll bar. So it's very confusing and frustrating. So what do I do? One option is you go all the way to the bottom and click on this option, Edit in Pages. It's going to create a new page, a loop page, also called Copilot page. And the same table is available here. I want to see it full screen, so I expand this. But still, this table doesn't occupy or utilize the full available width on my screen. Yes, technically, I can zoom out because this is a web page, Windows minus, minus, minus. But even then, it doesn't seem to solve the problem. So now what's the solution? When I go to the table, you will see multiple options and each option has a purpose. This one is saying I can rearrange the table. But when I click there, I get an option to export it to Excel. So it'll create an Excel file just from this table. And then once it's ready, it'll ask you to open it. And you get a better view of the content. But still, horizontal scroll bar is not gone. If you really want to read it without scrolling, you'll have to adjust the column width, wrap text, which basically means more work. So not the perfect solution. Let's come back to the Copilot output. Here, we have one more option which is so hidden. This is the option we need. Open in Word. Like Excel, is going to generate a Word document, not just with the table, but the entire output. Continue in Word will open it in a separate browser page. Now here, the problem is worse. This is an A4 size page, so it has shrunk everything. The solution is click on this editing drop down and say open in desktop. It did open it in the desktop version of Word, but it looks the same and it doesn't solve the problem. All this space is wasted, which I could have used to look at the full table. The reason I came to desktop version of Word is because it has a powerful feature under the View tab. We are changing from print layout to web layout. Now, why didn't I do this in the web version? Because funnily enough, the web version of Word doesn't have web layout. Now look at what happened to our table. It occupies and utilizes all the available width. It has already adjusted the column widths and wrapping so that we can read the table without worrying about the mechanics of viewing the table. That's efficiency. Now it's much easier for me to make sense out of each row, columns, and then take whatever decision is relevant. So the specialty of this web layout is that it never gives you a horizontal scroll bar. Remember that. I'm asking Copilot about this problem. Copilot did give me multiple answers, but the answer I have shown, Copilot did not give. Bottom line is, Copilot or AI is empowerment, no doubt about that, but it's not a substitute to core knowledge of the products. The combination of your knowledge and Copilot's assistance is the killer combination which will give you the desired AI transformation. To summarize, when you encounter a large table in Copilot output, go all the way down to the Copilot output, 3 dots, open in Word, it'll open in browser, let it open, then open the file on desktop, go to View tab and change the view to Web View, and then adjust the zoom as per your convenience. As you know, I work with a lot of customers and help them transform efficiency using Microsoft and Copilot. If you would like me to contribute to your organization, my contact details are in the description. If you found this useful, try it out, like the video, subscribe to the channel, share it with everyone, and give me ideas for more videos. So that's it for now. See you soon. Thank you.